Alright, Conan, we got 10 free spins. Let's see what happens. 350 back. Looking for the wheel. Any two denominations get the best spin. And so far, I got nothing. What is this? That's not good. Come on. Oh, that's not good. Oh, we got 2 more spins left. There we go. Wheel. There we go. How about a major? Oh, I'll take 25 times? I'll take something? Oh, you better not give me 2. 7 times 70 bucks, $73. I'll take it. Alright, last spin, help me out there. One more spin, give me one more. Last spin, nothing. Alright, $80 win. I'll take it. I'll take it. Congratulations on winning $88. Big deal. Couple backup spins. Oops. One more spin and we'll catch you later, guys. Oh. One more spin. Alright, see you guys later. We're playing Wolfram Eclipse. We just got the wheel bonus. Let's see what happens. Oh, Mega would have been nice. Just 5. The worst. The worst one on there. Alright, I'll take 5 free games. $2 $40 bet. Let's see what happens. Ooh, lots of wilds. Then a bump came up. That's just the tease. Look at that. That's messed up how they do that. 33 bucks, wow. That's pretty decent for one hit on the... Oh, come on. $50, okay, not bad, I'll take it. That was a quick bonus, guys. Alright guys, we'll catch you later. Alright guys, we're hitting it again. Let's see what we get. How about a grand jackpot? 5 free games with 2 wild slots each spin. Okay, this might be big, guys. This could be big. See what happens. Oh, re-trigger, huh? Oh, re-trigger, nice. Take it. Oh, I thought they were gonna be together. No, come on. 3 more games. A re-trigger. 2 more games. Oh, yes! How? 97. Oh, that was the last game. Alright, not too bad, guys. We'll take it. 97 bucks. Oh, back to back. Another big one. 43 bucks on that one. Alright, guys, we'll catch you later. That was pretty big. Okay, no more. Alright, guys, we hit it again. We're at 155. Let's see. Come on. There was something big. Major! Yes! How many spins is that? How many spins? I'm confused. Oh, only 6. At least 3 wild stacks each spin. Come on. Oh, so beautiful. Come on, put them all together. Oh, aces only. Come on. Oh. 3 more spins, guys. Oh, here we go. Come on. Big. Wild. Oh. Oh, 140. Come on. Big. Oh, re-trigger, please. Oh, Queens. 177. We'll take that, guys. Big win. Shakety shake. Shake, shake, shake. Oh, I thought I had another one. Alright, guys. We'll catch you later when we hit the next one. Alright, guys. Today we're playing Fujinshu Phoenix. At $100 in, we'll do 264 a spin. Increased jackpot chance. Okay, $2.40. We never played this one yet, so we'll see what it looks like. 360, that's pretty decent. Okay, at least we're getting some hits here. Looking for a bonus. Or even some coins to drop. Okay. I'm thinking those are the bonus symbols. Oh, hey, look at that. We got something. We got the picker. There we go. Boom, jackpot feature. Let's go for... How much is it gonna? How about the grand, huh? Okay. Grand is 9,438. 2 grands. Okay, come on. Let's see. What happens? What happens? No, not the mini. Major. No. Of course, $11. 2 grand right away. Just a tease me. That's how it works, alright. Fireworks, yeah, mini. Ooh, everyone loves the mini. Yeah. Get away. Alright. We got the mini. It's alright. Yep, that looks like the bonus symbol. So, let's see what happens. Ooh. Birdie's Phoenixes, $5. Oh, we got it again. Maybe it wants to give me the grand. Ooh, okay, maybe not a mini this time. I'll take a minor for $40. Jeez, just give me that at least. Let's do it. Let's go across. Okay, minor maybe. Uh-oh. I should have stuck with that first one. Why did I skip? Alright. I paid the price. Even though we know it's all predetermined, but that's alright. We'll take it. Let's keep on going. We're up to $108. Let's see what we can do. Okay, 90 cents. Hey, money bags! $15. Phoenixes! Oh, not enough, $1.44. At least the pays are decent. It's keeping us around, so. Look, the tree has no more coins. But can we hit a bonus? That's the key. The key is to hit a bonus. 3 of those symbols in the middle, I believe. Can we do it? What's that symbol? Oh, one more, baby. Do it. Oh, rising. Boom. Oh. So you have free games. I don't know what that is, so we'll see. Oh, interesting. Apparently nothing. Oh, money bags. Okay. Come on. Free games or whatever that bonus is in the middle. Real wild free games. Got some jacks for $2. Can we get a bonus or free games? Oh, whoops. I got angry. Oh, I want to see what that 3 symbols are. Come on. Oh, look at those Phoenixes. Alright, $3. Kings. So far, no luck. Boats and hoes. Stepbrothers, of course. I'm not being condescending to women, but one of my favorite movies. Oh my goodness, what's happening? Okay, come on. Oh, so when you get 2, it expands, but the expanding didn't do anything. Oh, look at that, $9 worth of money bags. Oh, come on, free games, there you go. Okay, we got it. Free games at 264 bet. Let's get it going, guys. That's 7 free games. Expander reels and reels will while randomly occurs. Okay, here we go. 7 free games. Let's start it up, baby. Oh, expanding. Higher? Oh, okay. Higher? No. Oh, what's happening now? Oh, wilds. Oh. Whoa. More? That's it. $22. So we wanted to expand all the way, plus give us a whole bunch of wilds. Oh, not aces. Don't do me dirty. Give me wild. Give me 5, the whole screen. Ah, aces and kings. Okay. Alright. That's another $6. Come on, expand all the way. Grow. Money bags. Oh, wilds. Yes. Give it to me. Oh, 2 times. Does that mean the coins? Oh wait, look at the money. It's flying. It's flying. It's flying, guys. 2 times wild. I have 4 more games left. How much is that? 54 up to $55. Okay, come on, let's go. Higher. Give me pictures. Phoenix. Oh, where's my wilds? How about wild? 4. Oh no! Nothing. Oh, I got that. Ingots. $50. Okay, come on. 2 more games. This is actually pretty fun on the free games. Oh, higher. Uh-oh. What can we get, guys? Oh, money bags. Give me wilds. No! What did it do with wilds this time? I thought it did it every time. Oh, Phoenix's wilds. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Right in the middle. Do it. Oh, no. Okay, we got the coins and some Phoenixes. All right, $65. Oh, that's it. Last game. Oh, last game sucked. All right, we'll take it, guys. $65 for the bonus. Oh, look at the Phoenixes. $15. Okay, we're gonna play it down to. How about? Oh no, it doesn't connect. Let's play it down to $1. $1. We're not gonna play it down to $1. Let's play it to $110. Then we'll move on. Oh, we'll move on to our next game. Oh, hey. A lot of things going on here. There's money bags. How about 100? We'll just go to 100. How about that, guys? We'll go to 100. And then we'll move on to another game. But that was fun. Uh-oh, queens. 2 more spins, guys. And we are done. Oh, Phoenixes! Alright, I got 1 more spin in me. That's it. That's all, guys. Maybe 1 more spin? Oh, 1 more spin. Here we go. Jacks. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. We're going to play our next game. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe and like button.